3. Recommended encoder settings. To ensure your Dacast livestream is stable and fully functional, you must configure your encoder to use the settings defined on this page. First, ensure you are following everything in the Common Settings section. The following settings are required for live streaming with Dacast, regardless of your selected resolution and bitrate. Then select the most appropriate resolution and bitrate, which depends on your needs, and configure all settings for that size exactly. Please select one of the following configurations and ensure your encoder is set up with these exact settings to help prevent streaming issues. Finally, be sure not to use any of the unsupported settings because they will very likely break your stream. Note that these settings are unsupported and will break your stream. Baseline H.264 profile and interlaced scanning. Any questions or need help access to this feature, please contact us. Not yet a Dacast user? Interested in trying Dacast risk-free for 14 days? Sign up today to get started.